Welcome to Da Nang. We're gonna have a nice stroll to the beach and it's beautiful, sunny. Now check out the beach, how many people are there now. It's a nice wind breeze, beautiful February. I'm actually in love now with February. February, you're my new. I mean, I have a wife now, but February, I like you very much. Nice. Oh. All right, guys, so we are here. The best way is the way to the beach, and it's straight on. We are now between Antung 4 and 3, where we will walk all the way to the beach, check out the beach promenade, and go all the way to something very important, the Sunday roast. This is the way to the Sunday roast in Da Nang, Vietnam. Antung 3. This hotel is also very good. Charming beauty hotel. But be cautious, they can sell out quick nowadays. This is a new place here, Delhi Station. They're always very friendly. Always say hi and everything. Good morning. Huh? Yeah? Well, I'm filming right now. I don't.
You're famous. I follow your. You're taller than I saw.
Oh yeah, I'm tall. Yeah, I'm filming right
short. Now. Oh, Scheisse.
Scheisse? You cannot say that.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
No.
Nice to see your videos.
Nice to see you, man.
You just look like Social Sammy. All right, sorry.
Yeah. No. Right?
Eric. I follow Will Travels.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Awesome, man.
You're taller than I.
Yeah.
Lakers. Okay. Cool. All right.
All right. Have a good day, man. Have a good Sunday.
You.
Nice to meet you, Eric. Right. So now we are at the Antung 2 Street, and one of my favorite banh mi's here. Very nice. And it's open. I think it was open the whole time of the New Year's as well. But this place is closed right now. This here is very good for Bonnet as well. They have mi quang in the morning. But what their favorite is like boko, this beef stew, and you get a banh mi to it, and bonnet, and you get a banh mi to it. And they have opla, that means sunny side up egg. Nice. So we're gonna go all the way to the beach. We're gonna go quick. We're gonna go do the warp speed. Oh, Angel Hotels. Very good as well. It was super tough for me to get a free room to check when I made my video about that. I did a video about 5 very highly rated hotels here, right 5 minutes from the beach, that are all under $30, 20 to 30, but sometimes they're even cheaper. Sometimes they're slightly more, but usually they're also cheaper if you book way ahead on Agoda. But yeah, check that one out. It's called budget hotel something, 20 to $30. I will link it down in the description. Very good video. I like all hotels, but Draco really only if you get a good deal. Else, if it's like 34, 5 or 40, I would rather take the other ones in the video. Yarra Ocean Street, also very underrated. Now, crossing the streets, always raise your hand and walk. And now we made it alive, and we are at the beach. Sundays at the beach, beautiful. Look at this. It's very good right now. People are in the shade from the coconut trees, and this is what I like the most. I like the most to see the sand, the palm trees, and the blue sky. The blue sky is just phenomenal. And after a very rough December, a nasty December, this feels even better. The energy, I'm just like an electric car. I'm running on energy, on sun, or what is it called? Sun panels. What do you get? Yeah, I don't know. but this is just beautiful. The energy is very good. And lots of people say vibe, vibe, vibe. Yes, it has a vibe. This is the vibe. The ocean, beach vibe of Da Nang. Very nice. And yeah, it's very calm here still. People are out getting sun. And also the sun, especially in the morning, is very good. I like to go here early, around 9, 10 a.m. This is the best time to be here. You want to check it out? Check out the ocean. Look at the coconuts. Nice. Surfing going on here. Very nice. Oh yeah. That's good. Lots of people in the water. The water is already warm, so you can go swimming there. It's a little bit tough. You have to go all the way in the back to swim because of the waves. But other than that, look at this guy. Has his motorbike all the way here. Usually there are no motorbikes driving around here. Sometimes in the evening, some fishermen, they drive on the beach. But other than that, it's no motorbikes here. See the beautiful skyline here. Those are the best beachfront hotels in my opinion because of the beach. There are not the best ones because I think I did not review the best ones on camera yet, but I think a little bit further away there are very modern, big branded hotels, and they are most likely the best. But I will also review them on my main channel, Social Sammy. And yeah. But for me, I think those beachfront hotels are the best because it's just the closest to this beach here. And the beach does not look that good today, but in the summer it will. It's still a little bit wet. Could also be still some rain showers at some point, even rain at night. But on daytime it's already good. People are out sun tanning. Very nice. Let's check out, let's go to the promenade again. This is also here the Maya Beach Club and the toilets of the Maya Beach Club. So if you want to have a better toilet than the public ones, that's also a good tip. You should be a customer, but there's no sign, you cannot use it. So it's good. It's a TMS hotel. I did a video about TMS comparing it to the M Hotel. They're both 5 stars. And TMS is a little bit older than M Hotel because M Hotel is brand new. But I think value-wise, TMS has balconies and M Hotel does not. So TMS has a beautiful infinity pool as well. M Hotel has 2 infinity pools in 2 directions. One for sunrise, one for sunset. But yeah, the M Hotel also has very good breakfast because one of my subscribers invited me to breakfast there 2 times and it was delicious. Very delicious. Lots of things to choose. So very good. M Hotel, I just had the case, so I literally compared the M Hotel with the hotel I stayed in Hanoi. And I stayed in Hanoi in the old quarters for my wedding. And oh, this is my friend here. For my wedding, and I paid 90 euro per night. Hey Viet, how you doing? You're on camera. Okay, just say hi to my good Vietnamese German friend. So I have a lot of friends here in Da Nang that are the parents either way from Vietnam or they actually born in Vietnam but went to Germany, Australia, Canada, or America, and then they came back. And now they are actually living in Da Nang because they just say it's so much nicer. So, yeah. Beautiful weather, beautiful ocean, sand, cute dogs, even though they're not allowed, but they're gonna put the leash on. So if you're walking around here, there should be no dogs roaming around freely. It's a huge sign. They also say it in the speakers, no dogs allowed. You need to have a leash and a muzzle. I think if the dog is big, you need to have a muzzle. But sometimes you are lucky and you will see a cute little puppy or more puppies on the beach. Because sometimes locals bring their puppies on the beach, and I don't think any police will ever say something against that. I think puppies should be always on the beach. If you have puppies, do a public service and bring them to the beach. Just if they're little, small, and puppies cute, nice. But take away the excrements, or what it is called in a good English way. This is the new pasta spot. The surfers are getting ready. Nice. Gonna walk all the way here and go back to the Muang Thang building. And then it goes straight to get the great Sunday roast. Sunday roast, I never thought I would ever like something like this. English food, Australian food, I don't know. But this lamb, what the Australians do, is beautiful. I never ate lamb before I came to Da Nang and met so many Australians. Look at this, there's a little dog sitting there sunbathing with their swimming suit, sleeping, cute. I don't know whose dog that is though. But there are not really stray dogs here. Even though sometimes if you walk the streets of Da Nang, you will see dogs roaming around, but they are usually in front of some property. Because Vietnamese let their dogs roam around in front of the houses, and they can come in and out whenever they want. So you see some dogs around, but no stray dogs. Very, very rare that you see stray dogs. They also have shelters, dog shelters. So whenever there's a roaming dog around, they're pretty much taking care of it too. So this is sometimes a little bit tricky with the traffic crossing. Okay, no. Motorbikes are fine, but cars you have to be a little bit cautious because they cannot roam around you that easy. And just always make sure they drive slow. So if they drive fast, you have to jump further. Okay, now we just walk. Best thing is to raise your hand. This is what the locals always tell me. Raise your hands and then walk. So the driving people know, first of all, the driving people, they know you're walking and they see you easier. And what you also can do is, in the nighttime, you can take your phone, put on the light on your phone and just wave it. So it's also easier for the motorbikes and cars to see you. It should be fine. They don't drive fast here. So they usually, no matter what, they can drive around you. The only thing what you have to be very cautious about is to not do any kind of sudden movements, okay? So don't get shocked, don't get excited, jump around. Have a steady pace in walking. You can walk fast, you can walk slow, but don't move around. You need to have a steady walk. It has to be always the same so people know the way to go to the left or right from you. So this is very important because I saw some people panicking, jumping around and then getting hit. So always be careful about that. don't move too quick. Right guys, I'm gonna take the nice shortcut here, straight to the Aussie Bistro. A very good sports bar here as well. So if you like football or the Australian football, AFL or rugby or something, they always have everything. They have a lot of screens. So they're always, they're also very flexible in putting on your sport. Even if you have a sport not many people watch, they're usually gonna have it somewhere because they have all kinds of channels. You can see here from the far already the Aussie Bistro. This whole neighborhood I really like too, because it's calm and you have a lot of hotels here as well. So you have here the Davao Hotel, the Menorah Grand, Golden Line something. Here the Alani Hotel over there. And this here's a school, I think. So you will see a lot of people picking up their children on the motorbikes right at the front gate. But here's also a bus stop. The only issue I see here, there's some annoying cocks, some chicken roosters. You hear that? Yeah. So this is the only thing. And sometimes on this street, the Banbao guy is driving. So you be aware of that. So the Aussie Bistro, I think Rod is doing the roast since nighttime, 3 or 4 a.m. he starts. And then around 11, it's gonna be done. So I smell it already. Oh yeah, ooh, lamb, lamb, lamb. You need to be cautious. Those Australians are very tall and big. You gotta also always say Aussie, Aussie, Aussie when you come in. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! There are not many Australians. Canada, Germany, and 2 Australians, and my wife. You look good. Look at this handsome Australian man here. My God. Okay guys, and with this being said, look at this roast. Whew. All right. I think it's gonna be done soon. I'm excited. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.